When you have two lines, it's not that surprising that there is a point at which they intersect. In fact, any two lines, as long as they're not parallel, will intersect at one point. But to have three different lines all intersecting at one point is quite unique. So the free info in this question is really quite powerful. Now, of the three equations of the three lines that are given, the middle one jumps out at me because it doesn't have any unknowns. We have full and complete information about what that line looks like, and we could draw it on the xy coordinate plane. When I look at statement 1, I realize, oh, now I also have full and complete information about the first equation. So I can draw the first line and I can draw the second line. Well, if I know how to draw two lines, can I find the point at which they intersect? Yes, I can. Okay, so now I know P and R. I don't actually have to find those values. I just need to realize I could find them if I wanted to. And if I know those values, I could plug them into the third equation and solve for B. So statement 1 is sufficient on its own, and we should eliminate the answer choices that claim that it's not. So B, C, and E are gone, and we're down to A or D. Now we have to forget statement 1 ever happened and just evaluate statement 2 on its own. So statement 2 gives us the value of R. I could take that back into that middle equation, that equation that gave us full information, and I could extract from that the value of P. So again, with statement 2, I can find the actual point at which the lines meet, and then take that point into the third equation and solve for B. So it turns out that each of these statements is sufficient on its own, and the correct answer is D.
If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.